So I took Minnie to CountryMax here in Baldwinsville, and they have this really cool setup where you can bring your dog or pet and groom them. And they provide this great platform with a hose that has different adjustments. I used the soaker adjustment, and then also it was like a flat wand so it could direct the water onto Minnie's super thick fur. So Minnie, being a Newfoundland, she has 2 coats. It's a double coat, so it's really, you got to really get in there. They also provide the shampoo. You get 2 choices, and they're really nice. Minnie had some medicated shampoo, so I had to use that as well. And then they have dryers. So for $10, you get to go have that up on an elevated. They have aprons for you. It is phenomenal. Can't beat it. Don't have to make a reservation, but they have, I think it was 3 bath bays. I was there for a long time, I should know, but I didn't count. I was also soaking wet. As you can imagine. Where's my little sweetie? Oh, she's hiding. Right now she's all curled up in a ball. But let me tell you, that is a lot of woofer to wash, to scrub, and to dry. It was fun though. Highly recommend it.